Hi friends, it's Shazib Afridi from Game Logics, and this is the 13th part of our tutorial series How to Make Color Switch Game in Unity. In the previous tutorial, we have successfully created our background menu and music canvas that will handle our uh, sound mute property, like muting the sound and then unmuting the sound and playing and pausing the game feature of our game. Okay, and in this tutorial, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a simple script which will handle our level loading. Okay, like switching from one scene to another. So let's create that script. Its name will be load level. Okay, so load level. So load level script has been created, and let's okay. So it's created, and let's write a simple code in this method. Okay, we don't need these start and update methods, so let's get rid of them. And a simple method public void uh, play game button. Okay, it's a public method because I'm going to assign this method to a play game button. Okay, and we will write a simple one line code here that will do our work. Okay, so let's do that. Screen filler singleton, and then its instance, and then the method that I'm going to use is fade and load level faster. So this is the method that I'm going to call, and this one, yeah, this one will be called. Okay, so let's save it, and okay, so the work is done, and now I'm going to create a canvas that will be our menu canvas. Okay, menu canvas, and this will be scale with screen size and match height. Okay, so it's done. Now mm, let's create an image in this. Image will be our title image. Here we will display our title like color switch title image. Hmm. Okay, so the image that I'm going to assign to the sprite of this image is the one that will be present in the original project. Okay, you can find that. Okay, that will be like present. You can look for that. Okay, it's called the name. Okay, it will be on this name, title texture. Okay, so look for this image, and I have I have exported this image from the original project, like the way I did for our buttons. Okay, this color switch way exporter. Okay, and It's an image, you can simply copy and paste it, okay? But it's a lengthy process, okay? You can simply open the original project in Unity, and then you can simply export this picture from there, okay? So I have it already, as you can see here. So let's delete this because we don't need this here, and let's drag and drop here, okay? And let's delete this as well. So let's assign this image here, and as you can see, let's disable this for a moment so that we can see things clearly. And the background should be black, okay? For this should be black, okay, like this, so it will be more visible. And let's drag it up a bit, okay? Let's make it bigger. Mm, it's, I think, too much. Let's make it a bit smaller. I think now it's good. Okay, so okay, and I need a button, so let's create that, like play button. Let's delete its text. Let's gameplay button. Mm, let's attach this load level to our menu canvas, and then we will okay, assign this to this button. Load level play game button. Okay, so let's change its sprite. We have here, I think it was 238. Yeah, 238. Okay, so let's give it a bit height, and this should be like 120. Let's make it a bit bigger. I think it's good now. Yeah, it's better. I need a few stars to make it look better. Let's create a few images, duplicate them. Okay, star 1, star 2, and star 3. Okay, star 3. Okay, and let's assign them stars. 227. Yeah, to 27. I think let's select all of them. Yes. So let's let's make them smaller because they are too big. Yeah, let's do it collectively. Okay, I think they are much better now. I think there is some problem with Unity this latest version. The sliding doesn't work properly, like it drags too much. Let's change in this way. Okay, so these are little tricks okay that you should learn how to in the center. Okay, so I think it's good now. This doesn't work correctly. I think it's too much, like not as it doesn't move in a slight way. Okay, so it's like too much. Okay, if you drag it a bit, then it drags itself too much. Okay, yeah, so it looks good. Okay, so this is enough for this tutorial. If you have any question, if you didn't understand anything in this tutorial, then let me know in the comments. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, do a subscription and press the bell icon for notifications. Okay, it will keep me motivated to bring cool stuff for you guys. Okay, and I have a lot more Unity projects that in the future I will teach you how to create those games. Okay, so yeah, this is it for this tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial.